What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are building or upgrading your setup and searching for the best computer case fan, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about a fan that brings cooling power and stunning lights together. Let's get started. This is the iGo AM12 computer case fan. It is designed for modern computer builds where performance and style both matter. When you look at it, you can already tell it is made to stand out. But it is not just about looks. The iGo AM12 computer case fan focuses heavily on smart cooling and smooth airflow inside your case. One of the key features is its intelligent cooling adjustment. The fan responds to temperature changes inside your system. When your computer gets hotter, the fan works more efficiently to move heat out. When things are cool, it keeps things quiet and stable. This helps your system stay balanced without unnecessary noise. Airflow is another big highlight. The iGo AM12 computer case fan is built to properly channel air through the chassis. It pushes hot air out and pulls cool air in at the same time. This constant movement improves heat dissipation across important components like your processor and graphics card. The fan delivers airflow of 48 CFM, which means strong and steady air movement to keep temperatures under control. Even with this strong airflow, it stays very quiet. It operates at just 21.5 dBA, so you will not hear loud spinning sounds while working or gaming. This is possible because of its 7-blade design. The blades are shaped to create high wind pressure but with low noise, so you get powerful cooling without disturbing your environment. The fan speed is rated at 1200 plus or minus 10% revolutions per minute. This gives a nice balance between cooling performance and quiet operation. It is fast enough to keep air moving efficiently, but controlled enough to avoid extra noise. Durability is also important, and the iGo AM12 computer case fan has a mean time to failure of 30,000 hours. That means it is built for long-term use. Once installed, you can trust it to keep running reliably for years. Installation has been made simple as well. The splicing design and thoughtful structure make it easier to mount inside your case. Everything is designed to improve ventilation and make the setup process smooth, even if you are building your system for the first time. Now let's talk about the visual side. The iGo AM12 computer case fan supports ASUS Aura Sync. This allows you to sync the lighting with other compatible components in your system. It comes with addressable RGB LED lighting that can display 16.8 million colors. You can customize the colors and effects through software. And if your motherboard does not have the right header, you can use the built-in controller. This gives you full lighting control without extra hassle. The result is a fan that not only cools your system efficiently, but also adds a bright and modern look to your entire setup. Upgrade your cooling and your style at the same time. Check the price link in the description and see if the iGo AM12 computer case fan is right for your build. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.